Hello traders, today we are going to talk about bracket order. Practically speaking, bracket order allows you to place three individual orders in a single submission. A trader can use the bracket order to open and subsequently close a position in one order ticket instead of multiple tickets. Those three individual orders consist of one parent order and two attached orders. The parent or primary order is used to open a position in our portfolio, while the two attached orders are used to close it. A trader can open a position either by placing a buy to open or PTO order if they feel bullish on a certain stock, or a sell to open or STO order if they are bearish. Consequently, if the initial position was a long position or PTO, then the attached order will be a sell to close or STC order. Vice versa, if the parent order was an STO, the attached order will be a buy to close or BTC order to exit the existing position. Again, the relationship between the parent and attached orders is sequential or chronological, meaning that the parent order will be executed first, followed by the attached orders. Therefore, the attached orders cannot be executed until the parent order has been filled. Obviously, you cannot close a position in your portfolio if you don't have an open one. So, why do we place two attached orders in a bracket order? It's because when you close a trade with the attached orders, there are two possibilities. Either you close it for a profit or for a loss. If you plan to manage how much profit you will take before getting out of the market, then you need to set up a profit taker order. On the other hand, if you want to focus on managing losses, then you need to set up a stop loss order. The relationship between these two attached orders is mutually exclusive, meaning that if one of these orders is executed, assuming the target price is triggered, the other will be automatically cancelled. This mechanic is commonly referred to as one cancels the other or OCO. Let's use an example of how a bracket order including OCO works. Imagine you're interested in a stock that seems to be going up in price. You want to buy it and sell it quickly, hoping to make a profit if the price keeps going up. But you also want to be prepared in case the trade doesn't go well. So you're willing to accept a small loss if needed. To do this, you can use a bracket order with an OCO feature. First, you place a parent order to buy the stock at a price above its current value, let's say $10. This is the price you're willing to pay to get in on the trade. Then, you also set a profit taker or PT order price, let's say $15. This is the price at which you want to sell the stock to make profit. And lastly, you set up a stop loss price, for example $3. This is the price at which you're willing to sell the stock if it starts going down to minimize your losses. So, if the stock's price goes up and reaches $10, your parent order will be filled and you'll buy the stock. Once you bought it, your broker will automatically activate the PT or profit taker and stop loss orders. Then, if the price keeps going up and reaches $15, your PT or profit taker order will be triggered and you'll sell the stock for a profit of $5, which is $15 minus $10. At this point, your stop loss order will be automatically cancelled because of the OCO feature. Canceling the other attached order is important to avoid any unexpected order filling. In this scenario, if we don't use OCO and we forget to manually close the stop loss order after the profit taker order has been filled, your broker will recognize the stop loss order as an order to open a new position. So, if the stock's price suddenly drops and hits the target price you set in the stop loss order, that order will be executed and you'll end up with a position that you didn't intend to have. That's why it's crucial to use OCO when placing attached orders to avoid such situations. I hope this explanation has helped you understand how a bracket order with an OCO feature works. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be making more tutorial videos on trading in the stock market, and in the next video, I'll show you how to place a bracket order in the TWS from Interactive Broker. Stay tuned for more valuable insight.